Morning students, today we are going to perform an activity based upon chapter 13 exponents and powers. We are going to make an activity based upon laws of exponents. For making this activity, children, we need the cuttings of three circles of different sizes. As you can see here, I am showing you. The first one is the bigger one, then a little smaller than this, and third should be the smaller of the other two. Means I have taken three circles of different radii and I have divided each one of these into 7 equal parts. You can see here, and after dividing them into 7 equal parts like this, we will be cutting them along these lines. All three of these will be cut along this line, and the bigger one will be showing the examples of laws, and the middle one will be showing the rule, and on the topmost, the smaller one, we will be writing name of the law. Now I am just showing you how will it look after we just paste them one above the other. Children, we will be pasting them one above the other like this, and in the end, after making, it will look like this. You can see here, the upper one is showing the name of the laws, and on the middle one I have written all the rules, and the lower one is representing the examples. Now let's take these laws one by one. First law is power of a product rule. The rule says xy raised to power m is equal to x raised to power m, y raised to power m. Then we have second rule, law, that is power of a quotient rule. Now what is power of a quotient rule? If I have taken x upon y raised to power m, then x will also be raised to power m and y will also be raised to the power m. Then we have example also, that is 5 upon 7 raised to the power 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 3 upon 7 raised to power 3. Then we are moving to rule 3, product rule. Now what does this product rule says? X raised to power m and x raised to power n, when multiplied with same base x and powers are different, powers are always added, x raised to power m plus n. And if you want to see the example, it is here 7 raised to power 3 into 7 raised to power 2 is equal to 7 raised to power 3 plus 2 is 7 raised to power 5. Then the fourth rule says zero exponent rule. Now zero exponent rule means anything raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So example is 5 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Now rule 5, negative exponents rule. If we have any base with negative power, then we always write its reciprocal, that is 1 upon x raised to power m. So what does the example says? 3 raised to power minus 7 is equal to 1 upon 3 raised to power 7. Rule 6, power rule. What does power rule say? That if we have power raised to the power, then these powers will always be multiplied. And let's see the example also. 6 raised to power 2 raised to the power 4 is 6 raised to power 8, means 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Then rule 7 is quotient rule. According to this rule, if we have same bases with different powers and they are written in the form of quotient, means division, then powers are always subtracted. So what is the example says? Example is 2 raised to power 8 upon 2 raised to power 3 is 2 raised to power 8 minus 3 is equal to 2 raised to power 5. So children, these are the laws of exponents explained by this activity. Thank you.